I'm about to share one of the most unique and beautiful properties I've ever had the pleasure of listing in my 20-year real estate career. I'm Corey Harding-Keys of CHK Real Estate and Keller Williams Luxury, and welcome to our newest listing, a one-of-a-kind lake house escape at 1 Lakeshore Drive. Get ready to experience lakeside luxury at its finest in this stunning, modern property with breathtaking views of Lake Ontario. This home is like no other and is a modern masterpiece featuring meticulous details, design, and craftsmanship. It offers a spectacular lakeside open floor plan with a separately attached bungalow that you can use as one property or as 2 separate properties. I know, endless opportunities.